I hope it saves you some money. I'm your host, Vanna. Hello! And today in this video, I'm going to show you how I do my voiceover and what microphone I use. So stay tuned, and I hope you save money. Please subscribe down below. Consider it. Just consider it. And give this video a like if you save money. Because here at Cheap Nails, we're going to save money but have the best products. So let's go into the video. Okay, on to the actual microphone. This is the box it comes in, and it's called the CAD Audio U37 USB condenser CAD USB U37 condenser microphone. It has a lot of information on the back of the box, but this is the box that it comes in, and what I love about this microphone is it's $35, and that is just a wonderful price. If you go on Amazon and you're looking at USB microphones that you want to record with, there is a couple of selections, like the blue Snowball, which is about $99, but I've heard that it breaks very easily. So, it's not a very good sturdy microphone, I've heard. And then there's the $120, $150 one, Blue Yeti, which I've heard is the greatest thing on this planet of USB. But I wanted to go for the $35 CAD Audio because it was $35. And I was wondering if it was good, and it is amazing. I use it in every single video of mine, and it's just great. Now, this is the candy apple shade that I got it in, and it was on sale, but usually they're $35. If you want like the plain black one, it's $35. If you want colors, of course, they're a little bit more money. And I got this candy apple color on sale, but $35 for this microphone, and it is great. I'm recording it with it right now in the blue. I love how the blue light flickers when you know that you're recording. So it tells you we're recording. It has a 10 feet long cord, USB cord that goes into your laptop, and it's 10 feet. The cord's amazing because it's really long. You can have it anywhere in the room, and it could be recording. The lovely stand that you get is very sturdy, and it swivels around. As you can see, you can swivel it 360, and it's wonderful. And the microphone itself is very light, but it is very high quality. It's a really nice microphone. I will put a link in the description box below where to find this wonderful microphone, and Audacity, which is the application that I use this with. I'll put that in the link in the description as well. Let me put it back down here. And another thing that you can buy with it usually is an add-on item for like $6 or maybe less. Is a pop filter, a Dragon Pad pop filter, and it's wonderful. If you don't know what a pop filter is, you kind of clip it. It has this clip. You clip it on your desk, and when you talk into your microphone, you talk into it, and maybe it takes away the pop sound. When you get kind of that pop sound, it takes it away. I don't know if it's staying away because I'm so close. Gives you that extra filter, and it's quite wonderful and nice and big. So you can also have that as an add-on. I'm mentioning it because I bought it for an add-on for like $6, and it's pretty good, pretty awesome with a sturdy clip. Okay, so this video, by the way, I forgot to mention this, but this video is not sponsored at all. I just like the microphone and the pop filter and everything. Now I will move on to how I kind of voice over, how it sits on my desk, and how I kind of voice over. So let's go to that part. Okay guys, I have my microphone right here and my laptop on, and Audacity is recording me because I push record. And if you want to learn more about how to use Audacity and stuff, there's a million tutorials online, and I watch those how to use it. So, and then I just flip to my editor here, and I just watch my video, my nail video, and then I just talk into the microphone, and I just voice over it. And then once I am done, I'll go back to Audacity. And I'll stop it, and then I put one effect on it because Audacity has effects. I put compression on it, and then I export it, and then I put it in my video editor right here. That's how I usually do my videos. See the microphone, this awesome microphone right here, and my laptop's recording me. So that's how I kind of do my voiceover for my videos, for all of this. Okay guys, I hope this helped you a little bit on your audio, and that you do not have to pay $100 or over $100 for audio. This USB microphone for $35 is amazing. I'll put the link in the description box below, so please check it out. I use this microphone for every one of my videos, and I just love it. So, and I also will put Audacity in the description box below too. So please check those out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it and it helped, give it a like. And if you want to see more of this, please subscribe. And there's probably a video right here and right here. Click on it if you want to see more of this face, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!